Here are my thoughts on the Dove x Crumblr Body Skincare collaboration. Dove Crumbl Confetti Cake has notes of warm sugar cookie topped with pink buttercream frosting, and it smells exactly like that. When I smelled this in store, I was worried that it would smell too heavy and sickly sweet. That is not the case. Dove Confetti Cake smells very gourmand but not heavy, and very realistic. I grew up baking cakes from scratch with my mom, and I can actually pick up on the airy powderiness of the frosting. I showered in this last night. The body scrub and body wash smell identical and come in fairly large sizes, 20 full ounce and 15 full ounce respectively. This is not a salt or sugar body scrub. The scrubbing agent is hydrated silica, which is natural mineral from the earth. Think sand. The body scrub formula is Dove's regular body scrub. It's fine with light to medium abrasion. I personally prefer a more gritty formula, but I think this will be okay for people with sensitive skin, or at least most people with sensitive skin. I followed up with a body wash, which again has Dove's signature hydrating formula, and it foams up really nicely too. I left the shower with my skin lightly fragranced and exfoliated and moisturized. Light fragrance was left on my skin and lingered for less than an hour. Dove's body scrub formula gets a 6 out of 10. The body wash formula gets a 9 out of 10. Based on fragrance alone, Dove Crumbl Confetti Cake gets an 8.5 out of 10. If you like body care, fragrance, and skincare reviews without the hype, follow me on all social media platforms. My handle is Beauty Body Pearl. Dove Crumbl Lemon Glaze has notes of lemon sugar cookie topped with sweet buttery glaze. The description is spot on. This smells like a bready, dense cookie and butter. The lemon glaze, again, spot on. With the lemon taking a backseat, you get more of the glazed sugar. I like this better than the iced lemon pound cake scent from Bath & Body Works. Dove Lemon Glaze smells less artificial and not as sharp. This also lacks the milkiness, so you won't get that tendency of smelling sickly sweet. Dove Crumbl Cookie Lemon Glaze gets an 8 out of 10. Dove Crumbl Strawberry Crumb Cake has notes of rich strawberry cookie topped with vanilla glaze and buttery crumbs. I was pleasantly surprised by the scent. I was expecting a heavy, syrupy, overly sweet, milky strawberry mess. But Dove did a great job of toning down the artificial strawberry and leaning heavy on the vanilla. Dove Strawberry Crumb Cake has less of that dense cookiness, not much creamy milkiness. The strawberry makes it more airy and of course a little bit fruity. Dove Crumbl Strawberry Crumb Cake gets a 9 out of 10. Allegedly, there was supposed to be a fourth scent, Nilla Bean Cupcake, but I think it got canceled. Outside of a few photos, I can't find this online. If it comes out, I will review it. As someone who's probably not the target audience, I prefer warm floral fragrances and have never had a Crumbl cookie. I love this collab. Dove did a great job of blending these gourmands without being too artificial, heavy, or sickly sweet. I would recommend that you shower with these products. You'll get the scent the best that way. They kind of smell a little bit heavier and a little bit more plasticky in the bottle, but when you shower, it just smells so good. My first critique, however, is that Dove should have skipped the deodorants. Gourmand armpits seem weird to me, plus the deodorants are aluminum free, so they won't protect well against odor. You do the math. Instead, Dove should have given us lotions or body butters. But luckily, I've got you covered with these fragrance layering combos. Starting with Confetti Cake, beautiful bready gourmand mist, cookie-like sweet creamy lotions, and perfumes that are heavy in vanilla, traditional gourmands. Glaze, definitely some lemon gourmand body mist, or citrus and sweet, creamy lemon, milky honey, lotions, and perfumes, lemon and vanilla. Definitely gourmand all the way. And lastly, for strawberry crumb cake, milk, sweet, florals, plum, mist. Definitely the EO Strawberry Dream Lotion and the Fenty Marshmallow Cream for perfumes that have some strawberry gourmand perfumes. Well, thank you for watching this video. I have a lot of great content coming up for body care, beauty, fragrance, and more, so definitely stay tuned. Until next time, I am Pearl Denise, and this is Beauty Body Pearl.